The Leopold's vexillifer, commonly known as the Baijai dolphins, are one of the very few dolphins that can survive in fresh water. Yangtze River in China is the only place you can spot one of these extinct species in the wild. Baijai dolphins are in the highest trophic level in its ecosystem. It feeds on fishes of varied sizes and species. Due to boat trafficking, overfishing, habitat loss caused by urbanization, and pollution due to China's big industries, the Baijai dolphin is critically near to extinction. In the year 1997, only 13 of Baijai dolphins were left. Further conclusions made by scientists say that this dolphin will not be able to survive any longer due to extremely low numbers. The Baijai dolphin is the first dolphin to ever go extinct due to human activity. Thank you for listening.